everyone, Gabby here, and today we are adding some new cosplays to my repertoire. I have had this box sitting on my floor for like a month and I haven't opened it, which I feel like is impressive for me because usually when something arrives in the mail that I'm really looking forward to, I immediately take a little peek in the box. I chose not to. I've been good and I waited until I could film this video. So today I will be filming two separate cosplay unboxings. I'm gonna split them up because I don't think the people that'll be interested in one will be interested in the other, if that makes sense. So we will be opening a cosplay, but before we get into the video, please leave a like and subscribe because I post new videos every single week. And yeah, I cosplay. So these two cosplays I bought off Taobao and shipped using Biner. If you have any questions about that, please let me know and I will answer them in the comments because I've been shopping on Taobao and Biner for years and I quite enjoy it. So me refusing to cut open the entire box. Okay, so both cosplays are red, but for part one, we will be unboxing my second Kakegurui uniform. I think at this point, several months ago, I posted this video, I will link up here in the iCard section, where I unboxed a Kakegurui uniform I bought off Amazon that had really good reviews, but it didn't fit me at all. It was way too big, couldn't wear it, did not want to rework it, so I sold it. Someone else loves it and it fits them perfectly, but I needed one that hopefully fits me. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. I also appreciate that it came in one of these little Ziploc bags. I also will link the cosplay with the Biner link in the description if you want to check out the specific one I used. I think it is technically the same one that Doki Doki is selling. If you didn't know, Doki Doki is a Taobao reseller. If you didn't understand that, that's fine. But I think this is the same one that they're selling. So let's take a look at her. I do plan to use this uniform to cosplay both Yumeko and Mari. So both are gonna happen at some point soon, hopefully. So let's just start with the jacket, which it also has shoulder pads like the other one. Why do they put shoulder pads in cosplays? They don't look good. But I do love the color of the jacket. Wait, the pockets are real. Y'all, the pockets. This is always the most important part. My phone fits in the pocket. Because basically, I'm always looking for a good looking but comfy cosplay that I can wear to a con on a Sunday, or like to change halfway through a day if I'm like feeling really tired but still want to be in cosplay. You know what I mean? So let's see how the jacket is. This one I got in a size Asian medium. The last one, I couldn't tell you if it was I think it had to have been a US large and not an Asian large because it just was so massive and hanging on me that it just could not be wearable. But let's see how this one is. I'm just gonna, oh, the power I possess. Oh yeah, this is, so it is like a little bit short in the arms, but I'd rather it be a little bit short in the arms than too long in the arms because then I think it looks ridiculous on me. And the shoulder pads aren't too obvious, which I appreciate. I feel like the last one, it was so broad and the shoulder pads were like hanging off my body. It looked ridiculous. So now what do we got? We have the skirt. Wait, what the heck? I have never seen a cosplay skirt like this. Okay, y'all, what? It's one of these like, what the heck? Oh, it's like an extender? What is this? I've never seen like a clasp like this on a skirt. Oh, so you can, oh, this is fascinating. So you can move this part along the band. So you can make the skirt bigger, like up to the end here, or you can make it tighter. I've never seen this before. And then it has a zipper, which nice smooth zipper. I've never seen a skirt like this though. I'm fascinated. And then what you probably could do if you really wanted to, if it's still like a little too tight, what you could do is take this piece off and honestly probably extend it with some more fabric, and you could still use this. This is fascinating to me. And there are no built-in shorts, which honestly sometimes I appreciate because it usually fits better if there aren't built-in shorts, that I've noticed, because I have too much of hips for most things. But this looks like it should fit fine. Some cosplay socks. Let's see how y'all are. These are just some basic. I was about to say basic. Oh no, they're tights. Some just like black tights. I do have my own tights in case if these aren't the right size, but they do feel pretty nice. And they're not super sheer. Like I can put my hand in and you can still, like, they're pretty decently opaque. But I do kind of like I like how sheer black tights look for Kakegurui cosplays. So that's what I'll probably do. And then we have, okay, this is the only part that I'm a little like, okay, my original one was better. I might get another one of these. And that is the good old mittens tag. This is literally like a piece of like plastic. My other one, if you remember, was like an acrylic piece, so I might get another one for my shoot. I mean, this isn't bad, like it doesn't look bad, but I just worry about it bending and then you can't really use it for anything. And then it has a little necklace clasp, so you can put it together, which I just think my other one was better. I'd rather the acrylic one, so I might buy one of those in the future. And then it did come with an extra button. I don't know what this button is for. Like, I have the shirt in front of me. I think this is the button that goes on the tie, but it's very pretty. And then the other thing is a ring. Does someone have a ring? Also, it's like a size 13 ring. I don't know what I would use this for. It's not gonna fit any of my fingers. If anyone has a size 13 ring, and you need one, here you go, I got you. Now we have the shirt. And I'm not gonna lie, I got this cosplay in a medium because I wanted the jacket and the shirt, not the jacket and the shirt, the jacket and the skirt to fit well. Usually if I have a button-up cosplay, I usually get it in a large because the shirt will be a little too tight if it's a medium, but a large usually fits fine. So I got this in a medium to make sure the jacket and the skirt fit. If the shirt doesn't fit, I have other white button-up shirts that I would use instead. Here is the necktie, and I do like it with this fancy button. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's quite cute. And you just do one of those. Very cute, cute, very cute. I can't talk today. Let's see how this shirt is. So based on looking at it, I don't super love the material of the shirt. It's quite stiff and not great feeling. Like, I have felt better cosplay button-up shirts. It also, as you can see, I'm not gonna lie, is quite fitted in the body. So I don't think this is gonna fit my chest at all. I'm probably, when I insert the try-on portion, I'm gonna try the whole thing on with a different shirt, and I'll probably just offer this to one of my friends. They can have it instead. This is not gonna work with my chest. So now I will go and try on everything and give you my final thoughts and opinions. So future Gabby, please take over now. So, you know how I said I was optimistic about this Kakegurui uniform being the one? I'm not happy with this one either, to be completely honest. I will insert a clip of me trying it on and showing it to you. The jacket being short is even more prominent when I have the full cosplay on because the shirt kind of pulls against the jacket, and I really don't like how it looks. Like, it just looks too small, the jacket, because the length is wrong. The body of the jacket fits fine, but the length of the sleeves is way too short for me. The shirt, I didn't even use the shirt that came with the cosplay. I literally tried it on and I could not even close it. So the shirt is a bust. The jacket was a bust. The skirt I liked, but I honestly think I liked the other skirt from the Amazon version better, which is insane. It's kind of ridiculous at this point at how hard it is to get one good Kakegurui cosplay, I swear. And if anyone wants to comment like, oh, well, you should have read the size chart. Based on the size chart and my measurements, what I got should have fit and even been a little big. So I don't even know what to do. Overall, like, it's not a bad cosplay, it just does not fit the measurements that it claims it does. So I don't really know what to do with it. I got nothing. Honestly, I'm probably gonna have to list it for sale because I don't really think I'll be able to use it. It doesn't fit me the way I would want it to fit me. So I'm really I don't know where else to buy a Kakegurui cosplay at this point. So if you have recommendations, like you've bought a Kakegurui uniform and you liked it, please let me know where you got it from in the comments, because at this point, I don't know what else to do. This shouldn't be so complicated. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, yes, you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Woo! And in the comments, like I said, if you've bought a Kakegurui cosplay and you have been happy with it, please let me know where you got it from, because at this point, I really don't know where to get one. I just want a cosplay from it. And what's crazy to me is it's not even like it's a complicated outfit to like size properly. It is a blazer, a shirt, and a skirt. These pieces should not be complicated, but apparently they are for me. Moral of the story is don't be short and have, you know, just don't, apparently. Follow me over on Instagram and Twitter to see cosplay content. Hopefully, eventually, I will find a Kakegurui uniform that I like and that I can finally do a photo shoot in, because I've had so many ideas for a photo shoot for this series and I really just want to have it happen already. So hopefully someone can tell me where to get one from, because I just don't know where to shop anymore. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!